My wheezing has come down, sir, reduced to a great extent.
Any other change you feel?
This therapy, my wheezing has come down very, very great level. I wanted to share this with you all. Thank you.
I'm able to breathe better. It was like before I wasn't able to exhale out more. So now I am able, with practice, I'm able to exhale out more in a rhythmic manner. Like, so I'm finding this very useful. And when I breathe properly, I'm finding that I'm getting more energy. With my yoga sessions, I'm not getting so tired. Yeah, so that is the biggest advantage now. No aches and pains in the body. So now I have found the importance of breathing, how important breathing can be, proper breathing. We all breathe, but proper breathing is so important.